Okay, this is the procedure to make a DIY vacuum cleaner. First, all the acrylic stuff you can actually peel off the protective film so that the glass will look very clear, right, like that, compare to this. Okay, so this is also, we can peel the protective film off. Okay, then it'll be a nice clear glass. So the first thing we're going to do is to make the 4 support here. So take the thicker black screw, go through and screw. Okay, to save time, I have done it while the video is off. So this is the first step. Step 2, take the motor and this green housing. What we need to do is to peel off the double-sided tape here. Okay, peel off the double-sided tape. Okay, then insert the spindle into the hole here. Tick. Okay, goes in. That will be step 2. 6. Next, we shall fix this housing, the motor housing, to this blade. Right, so you have to go from here into the big hole this way. Then we shall use the bolt and nut, the thinner one, to secure them together using these 2 holes. Get the screw, go in from here, right? So the longer part will be here. Take the nut, put on top. When this, right, then we can use a screwdriver. By holding the nut, you tighten the cross head in front, and we do the same for the other one. Okay, once this is done, we can put this propeller. There's a small hole and a big hole. Put the small hole inside the spindle. It will be just nice to fit in this way, right? Okay, now we shall show step 5 and 6. We'll put them all together. So you are given a container like that with a hole, and this is a template. Then we have a mesh here. Put a mesh here. Put this plate here, right? Then put it in this way, and then screw tight. Make sure the mesh occupies the whole surface area. That will be step 5. Okay, now we shall put this piece and this piece together. It goes in this way. There will be space here. Then we'll use the bigger bolts and nuts, a bigger bolt, to screw in from here, 4 of them. Okay, I finished 3, and this is the 4th one. Okay, done. Yeah, and then what we have here is a straw. This is my vacuum pipe, so we'll just push it in like that. This is our vacuum cleaner is done. So now what we need to do is put in the battery. Okay, we have fixed our battery, and over here there's an on-off switch. What you need to do is just turn on. You can see that it is glowing now. So these are the small little pieces of paper that we'll place here. Now it's able to suck inside here and then stuck at the mesh there.